Hello guys, in this video we learn about how to add falling snow on your website. Welcome to AWP Life Tips and Tricks YouTube channel. First, open your browser. This is a WordPress homepage. Go to your WordPress dashboard. Now click on Plugins, Add New. Click on Search bar, write Weather. Look for Weather Effect plugin and click on Install Now. After installing the plugin, click on Activate. A plugin is successfully activated. Go to Weather Effect plugin. You can see a weather effect config settings. Now turn on your effect. Choose from different weather types according to you. Choose Winter Falls type. After you can change all settings, click on Save button. Click on Preview button. Your weather effect is successfully applied to your website. You can see on your home page. Refresh your home page. Winter falling effect is run on your website. You can also change your configuration settings as you wish.